make a video.
So, hey guys, it's me, Morgan. Right now we have Aaron right, right here, and there's Mallory and yeah, blah blah blah. I'm walking into the kitchen right now. Wait a minute. Oh, he's just right here. Anyway, this thing, little bobber thing right here, lights, it makes the lights stuff. And then I'm gonna show you guys this. Watch. My dog right there, I think he's sleeping. He get tired.
And you done? Sorry.
I get sleepy. Idiot. Anyway, I'm gonna need something. So yeah, see you guys later.